What's up, YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about the new way to build a relationship with American Express. And the reason you want to do this because you're trying to get loans with American Express and you're trying to get high limit credit cards with American Express, okay? So one of the new ways that's happening, I've been telling you guys that American Express is trying to become a full-fledged bank. So what they just done, now they offer personal checking accounts. Now these are digital checking accounts, so they don't have physical locations, okay? But the good thing about this, it's American Express. And I know a lot of people wanted to build a relationship, okay? So we're going to talk about the 5 ways. So this is the first way, okay? So with this here, a new personal checking account, one of the things about it, they don't charge a monthly maintenance fee and you don't have to have a minimum balance, okay? Also, using your debit card, you can earn points every $2. Now, what that really means is that the points you use by purchasing things and with your debit card, you can use those points toward like hotel rentals, car rentals, and things of that nature. So it would help build more points much faster because you're actually using your debit card. So if you're using your debit card as well as your credit card, now you're able to build up points much faster. Also, they have 37,000 MoneyPass ATM locations. So you're not being charged a fee if you use an ATM at one of these locations. And so MoneyPass is probably like your places that have that offer like MoneyGram or something like that, like maybe like at a CVS or a Walgreens or a Rite Aid or something like that, in order for you to use it. But that's the good part about this. Excuse me. That's the good part about this is that now you as an individual, if you want to build a backdoor relationship with American Express, now you're able to open up a personal checking account with them. Now, here's another way. I've told you guys about the back doors is also opening up a business checking account. Okay, and here's the cool part about the business checking account. When you open a business checking account, they give you like a $300 bonus when you deposit $5,000 within the 10 days of opening up the account. Okay, but you have to have that $5,000 in there for at least 60 days. All right, in order for you to get that $300. Plus, the money you deposit into their business checking account, it actually earns interest. So that's another thing. So you're not just putting your money in there, it actually earn interest, but at the same time, you're still building a relationship with American Express, letting them know, hey, I want to do business with you guys. Now, that being said, I always tell you guys, hey, do a personal savings account. Okay, when they didn't have the personal checking account, they did have the personal savings account. So now you're still able to do the personal savings account as well as the personal checking account as well as the business account. Like I said, now American Express is starting to become a full-fledged bank. Now, one of the things I tell you guys is that you don't have to have perfect credit in order to get American Express credit cards, okay? Some people have had a 650, 660 credit score and still was able to get an American Express credit card, all right? The thing about it, by you actually being with them full-fledged, you'll be able to get access to more funding. Not only credit cards, but also business credit cards and business loans as well as personal loans. And that's without a credit check. That's one of the things, again, that I continue to tell you guys. Once you're in with American Express, they do a hard inquiry. They pull from Experian, okay? But then once you open up your credit card or whatever, and you apply for other credit cards and stuff, they do not do a hard inquiry on your credit file, okay? And then here's another secret that you need to know about American Express. American Express main focus is income. Okay, so I always tell you guys, when you're trying to get a card with American Express, you have to be very careful, because if you put on there that, hey, I make $150,000 a year, all right, sometimes they will do an income verification. If you don't have a bank account hooked up, and that's another secret, having your personal checking account or a personal business checking account hooked up to them so they can verify income and stuff like that, then what it can do, you can actually end up getting your credit cards closed. So you definitely need to be very transparent when dealing with American Express when trying to get higher limits of credit cards and loans. Now, I've told you guys about the American Express serve cards, right? And so the serve cards are like your prepaid debit cards and stuff like that. That also helps with data mining as well. Some people are like, no, I don't. Yes, it does, because it's an American Express product. That's the reason. If it's American Express product, trust me, they're data mining to see how they can build a relationship with you.